Hi, in this video we'll be talking on the setting, the style and language used by Patience Swift in The Last Good Man as a non-African prose. For the setting, we all know that setting is the geographical location whereby all the events in the prose took place. So for the setting of The Last Good Man, it was set in a rural, rustic cottage life in the Cornish coastline. Most actions and events actually happened within the coastline of the Cornish people. Most actions and events are by the river beach, whereby people actually came, whereby people are found by the coastal region, that is the beach, doing their daily business, especially the tourist people. That's pretty much on setting. The next is style and language used by Patience Swift. The book is written in the third-person narrative perspective that gives the readers ample knowledge of actions of the characters in the novel. Actions not even thought of by the characters, we get to know from the third-person narrative as chosen by Patience Swift. We get to know the innermost thoughts and even the reminiscences of people in the novel. The Patience Swift used this third-person narrative in order to drive home her message in Lonely Days. That's pretty much what we have in this video. The next video we'll be talking about the themes embedded in The Last Good Man.